Now we are going to learn some rules about les adjectifs, the adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe the noun. So in French we have two rules. That is, the adjective must always be in agreement with the noun. So these are the two rules. Quand le nom est au singulier, so when the noun is in the singular form, l'adjectif aussi au singulier, the adjective is also in the singular form. So once again, if the noun is in the singular form, the adjective is also in the singular form. Quand le nom est au pluriel, when the noun is in the plural form, the adjective takes the mark of the plural. So when the noun is singular, the adjective is also singular. When the noun is plural, the adjective takes the mark of the plural. Similarly, the second rule, so that was the first rule, singular and plural. The adjective must agree with the noun. If it is singular, the adjective is also singular. If it is plural, the adjective is also plural. The second rule is quand le nom est masculin, when the noun is masculine, l'adjectif est aussi au masculin. The adjective is also in masculine. Quand le nom est féminin, when the noun is in the feminine form, l'adjectif prend la marque du féminin. So the adjective takes the mark of the feminine. So these are the two rules when it comes to adjectives. So most of the time, to change singular to plural, so when the noun becomes plural, we have to change our adjective also into the plural form. Most of the time we add an S, sometimes it is different. Similarly, for masculine and feminine also there are some differences. So now we shall do some exercises to see how this works.